Hey yo! Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, it was me. Yes, welcome. I'm very glad to have you back. And if you're new here, do not worry, you haven't missed much because we have not done much. We haven't been up to shit over here. Nothing at all. As you can tell, we are in a brand new room, a new room of the house. This is the downstairs area. We're not in the craft room today. Why? Because we're getting into a little bit of knitting and crocheting today. And I don't like to crochet up there because it's uncomfortable. So I usually crochet on the couch, which is to this side of me. But as you can tell, I'm sitting on the floor. So today I'll be crocheting on the floor. Now, as you can probably already tell from the title of this video, we're going to be crocheting some French fries. And you may be asking me, what are these French fries in question? Stay right there. I would love to show them to you. This will be your new French fry. Many people have called it a baguette, a noodle, a panina, panai, a certain type of spaghetti noodle. I even had one person call it so monstrous and creature-like in nature. Like I'm building Frankenstein over here. Good lord. No, this is the first French fry I made. I did it by making, well, obviously I used like chunky yarn or whatever, but I just did like, I don't know what I did. I didn't like write anything down. I completely freehanded it. There was no rhyme or reason to this whatsoever. I just completely, I don't know how I did it. I started with like two just solid rectangles, okay? And then my idea was like, I'm gonna sew those pieces together, okay? So it worked for the most part. Now it has this like little twisty design that I didn't intend for that to happen. I don't really know, but it's fine because it kind of adds to the French fryness of it. Like it's not, it's not straight or whatever. So that's cool. He's got a little face. He's got some blush going on. He's a pretty little fry. The twist is because I think the back piece I didn't do as many stitches because I ran out of yarn. Either way, anyways, originally, I got the idea to do this because, well, I already made this and then I posted it on TikTok because I thought it was like funny looking or whatever. And I didn't think that it would like do that well. And it, of course, didn't do as well as like, millions or whatever views is not what I'm saying. But it did perceive well enough to me that I was like, maybe I could do like a whole video on it because, here we go. I showed him to my boyfriend and he was really impressed. So he told me that I should make more of them because my original idea when I made this to begin with is I was like, I'm going to make a whole box of them. Like I'm going to crochet the box like a fry box and everything and then put the fries into that box. And then they'll all be like, and they'll be like pillows. It's supposed to be a pillow that you can like rest upon on a good winter's night. So that was my original idea. But then once I got through with this guy, I was like, do I really want like a whole box of French fries? Is that really what I want? So I don't know. I was like, maybe I'll make a couple or whatever. So I don't know. But he was really impressed with Mr. Fry here. So I figured, what the hell? I can do a video on it, whatever. So that brings us to now. So before I start like really getting into it, let me just start off by saying this is not a tutorial at all. You can use it as one if you perceive that you can. That's completely fine. If you would like to make your own French fries and box fries, I don't gatekeep, that's fine. Make you a box of French fries. Make you a box of French fries. If that's what you so choose to do, you may do so. But this is not a tutorial because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I just put it together. I just put it together. That's all I'm doing. I have a vision inside of my mind's eye and I put that vision into a reality the best that these hands will allow me to do. So this is the first fry here. He's done. He's done. He's ready to get on surfed out of here. We have our little basket of yarn here. I went and got this yarn at the Dollar Tree, which then I regretted. I regretted that immediately because, as you can tell in this first fry here, I should have just went to Michael's and kept doing the chunky yarn, but I thought, I'm going to need a lot of fries, so I kind of don't want to spend a lot of money on yarn. Right now, at least at the moment. But it's like, it's so thin. It's so thin. It's okay though. I'm gonna make it work. It's gonna work out. Okay. So we have our yarn. We have our first fry down. I'll probably speed through a lot of this or like cut a lot of it out. To be honest, I wasn't really planning on like doing the whole like tutorial thing. So I mean, if you get the gist of what I'm doing, you want to make your own, more power to you, man. Feel free to. It's a free world. Be free. Be you. So I'll show you what I got going on here. All right, so we got this much so far. A little curvage down here, but that's all right. Fries aren't straight. They're French fries. It's a French fry. So we got this, and then what I've been doing is, I think this is a triple crochet. I think. Put it through the next one there. You can see what the hell I'm doing. I got 3 on there. Then I'm going 1. Bring that through both. Because now I got 3. So bring it through. Get the fuck in the hole. Okay, then do the last 2. And then we just keep doing that. You probably can't even see what I'm doing. My apologies. All right. And we've just been doing that. I've just been doing that. So I'm just going to make... Now this one, I'm doing different. I thought maybe I don't need to make 2 separate sides and then sew them all together. Maybe I could just make one long one, and then maybe I could make it long enough that I can then fold it in half. That I could then fold it in half and then just sew one edge. Instead, well, it would have to be, the 2 small ones and then the long edge. But instead of having, like this whole rectangle to sew together, maybe I could make it easier and just have one less side to sew. So that's what I'm going for here. I also got this like, this is like a golden almost color for like, I don't know, one to be like not too yellow. But then I also went and I got this yellow as well, a lighter one, just so it could be more like a variety, because sometimes you get some golden fries and sometimes you get some that are just not. Then if they're all gonna have faces, that I'm not sure about. If you want to give them all faces, I support that motion. But I think I only have like 2 eyes left or something. So I'll probably give a face to like another one, and then I think the rest I'm just gonna have plain French fries. Because once we get the box together, it won't just look like a bunch of random yellow sticks lying around. You know what I'm saying? Now here I got the box. I had the box like semi-started. Not really though. So I got like somewhat of the length for what I was looking to do. This is just plain itchy guy. Oh, good boy. So this is what I got so far for this one. Probably be about this long of a box. This was probably like the base. I felt like this was like long enough because this is already kind of big. So then if you think about it being this long and then however far I'm going to have to go or whatever on it. So this is what I got of the box so far. I probably need more red. I don't know if this is going to be like the bottom yet or like one of the backs. But yeah, it's going to be a whole fry box, bottom, sides, backs, and everything. And hopefully it'll be like really fucking wacky and cute when I'm done. And hopefully it just doesn't look like poop. Giddy up, cowboy, because we're starting to begin. So I'm just going to take it slow here first, and then I'm probably going to speed up the rest of this video, but this is just so you get an idea of how I've been going along. So just in case if you would like to build one too, So I'm pretty sure this is the triple crochet. I could definitely get on Google right now and check it, but I'm not going to lie to you because I'm an honest soul, and I don't feel like it. So if it's not a triple crochet, then it definitely is in UK terms. It might be a double in US. I don't know, but it looks pretty triple to me. So we're doing this, you grab the little thing and pull it through. So yes, this is what's happening. Thank you. All right, so I'm going to show you real quick how to do up your last 2 chains, and then we're going to turn it and continue the work. Don't mind my green thumb. I was trying to peel this stupid oil paint off this tray, and it's taken 300 years to dry, so it's still wet. But anyway, so we're gonna do, this is the second to last chain here, I'm pretty sure. We're just finishing it up, doing our little, nope, I think you messed up there. Yep, there you go, champ. There you go. Pull that one through. Oh, you almost got it. Get it. Go! There you are. All right. Progress. All right, so then we're gonna grab it one more time. And that is how we're going to turn our work. We're just going to chain one on top of the last. Did I say that was second to last? Who knows? Anyways, so now we're turning it around. And we're just going to continue the same pattern all the way across the top until our fry is as long as we want it to be. And remember, I am attempting to make it so long that I can fold it in half. So if you don't want to do that and just make your sides separate, you may. But I am now continuing. Thank you again. Well, hot dogs, everybody. It's a brand new day. And I know that my original idea was to make it long enough so that I could like fold it over. That's not happening. Scratch that. If you're able to do that, go ahead. But I am now down, so we'll start here. Let's just start from where we're at, okay? Aha! So I got this much so far, and then I've got about this much, this much yarn left. And like finish it up and just tie into it with the other yarn. But I think that I'm just gonna leave it how it is. I'm just gonna pull this. I'm just gonna pull this out if I can. Good, great googly moogly. Okay. So I think I'm just gonna leave this out, and then maybe when it's time to like, I'm gonna make the other side, and then when it's time to put them together, maybe I can use this string as like a sew-in or something. I'll like crochet it together or whatever. This is the first piece of our French fry. Here it is, everybody. I'm so excited. I hope you are too. Look at it. He's gonna have a face soon. So then whenever you're ready to start your next side, you're just gonna take it, you know, do the little, making an X. Oh my God, why is this so hard? Making an X on the back of your fingers. I know you can't tell. That's all right. It's an X. Okay, like that. Fold it over. Go like this. Yeah, and then stick this through and go like this. And then go like that. And then go like this. Ha-ho! And then go like this. Best tutorial. All right. And then we're just going to chain. You're just going to chain. I don't know how many I did. I didn't count. Like I said before, I'm pretty much just freehanding this for the most part. Because if I took the time to write everything down, that would take me so much longer. So I'm just going to chain this, and then I'm going to match it to the length of the first one here. So I'm going to make it about this long. I'm going to match it up with that. And then once we get to the chain, you know, we'll start that other technique. Now, one thing you want to do, don't make this very tight. Like I've already made it like really tight, so I'm about to start over actually. Because the mistake I did on this one was I did it like too tight the first chain, and then like trying to go back in and like get through all the little like, oh my God. My fingers were begging. We're begging God for a break. All right, so we got our chain here with our fry here. Now, if you have it a little long, which this might be, I got it a little too long over here, but that's okay. I can just undo it and match it up, but it'll be about from here to here. So then you just want to kind of line it up with the length of your other fry here, and then just, I'll show you how to start it again. Oh. So now we're going to take this. All right, and then we're going to grab it and then bring it through your next loop that you can see. Push it through, grab it, pull through, grab it, pull through 2 loops. You should have 2 left. Grab it, pull through the last 2. All right, and just keep repeating that. So grab it, push through, grab it, You'll have 3. Grab it, pull through 2, 2 left, grab it, pull through 2. All right, and then we'll just repeat that all the way down the chain. So it's come to my attention, it may take me a very long time to get through all these pieces and everything, and this video is already like kind of long, and I don't like to make them like very long, like they already get over 10 minutes because I talk way too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to finish up the rest of this fry, the one I just showed you how to start. Once I get all of the pieces made, I'm gonna make another video on putting them together, including like putting the face on one of them, and then I'll probably have to come back with another video on making the box. So if you're interested in all that and seeing the progress of all this, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell as well so that you get notified from when I make new videos. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I really hope that you enjoyed your time with me. I hope you enjoyed crocheting. I hope you got something out of this. I hope you learned something. I hope you make a fry too. Please, please, join me. Continue to join me. Let's build a fry box together. And until next time, partner.